Hello everyone. There's supposed to be a tornado siren going off. This is siren test number 1. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead now. Alright, so this siren's going off. This is my siren I made. I'll show you guys. It's about to turn off. In 1, 2, 3. Down. There it goes. Should be going down by now. Alright, buddy's ready to turn off. Okay. Yeah, we need to make it louder anyways. Alright, dude.
My arm.
Yeah. Alright, let's show you guys the siren. Can't show faces in the circus. Here we go. Let's go. Only my friend's face and mine can be seen. Sorry, guys. It's just Hunter. Only our faces can be seen. Alright, here is the siren. Here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed.